If you've been seeing ads for Polar Breeze and wondering whether it's actually worth buying, here's the quick breakdown. Polar Breeze is a compact portable air cooler designed to make personal spaces feel more comfortable without the cost or installation of a traditional air conditioner. It works by pulling warm air through a water-soaked filter, which helps produce cooler, more refreshing airflow. What I like is how simple it is to use. Just fill the water tank, plug it in, and you're ready to go. It's lightweight, easy to move from room to room, and it's much quieter than most fans or AC units. It's also a good option if you're looking to cool a small area like your desk, bedside table, or home office. That said, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. Polar Breeze isn't a replacement for a full-sized air conditioner. It won't cool an entire room, especially during extreme heat. It's really designed for personal cooling, not whole house temperature control. So, is Polar Breeze worth it? I'd say yes, if you want an affordable, portable cooling solution for your personal space. As long as you understand what it's designed to do, it delivers exactly what it promises.